It began as a DUI investigation.
Melanie, I'm going to have you step outside of the vehicle here.
No, you're not.
Then a split-second decision changes everything.
299, she almost struck me. Get out of the car!
This is Inside the Crime, presented by Law&Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner. Officers responded because witnesses thought something might have been off with the driver, but within minutes of responding, it would end in a deadly confrontation. It's March 7, 2025. We're in Bismarck, North Dakota. That afternoon, a concerned person texts 911. This is what the police report says. At approximately 12:06 hours, Officer James was dispatched to the area of Redacted for a possible DUI call. The reporting party, Redacted, had texted 911 regarding a female in the listed vehicle possibly under the influence of alcohol or drugs, and it was getting escalated. Officer N. Anderson also copied on the call as a backing officer. So let's look at Officer Anderson's body cam first. We'll come back to Officer James's because that's going to be important for later. Officer Anderson arrives to the parking lot at 12:12 p.m. By that time, Officer James is already on scene. When Officer Anderson gets there, he speaks with the man who texted 911.
She just started freaking out, and I was like, back up, like my son's in the car, back up. And she was like, no, you. She started screaming and stuff, and the dude from here said, is everything okay and stuff. I was like, yeah, it's okay. She's probably just having a little episode. She was like, okay, I was just running up. And then we get his car jumped, and I have to give the lady her jump pack back, because mind you, they're parked catty corner like this, and she's parked just like this. And I hear the tires, she has it in, I hear the gear, I hear it going gear, and the tires, if you peep, the tires are pointed this way, not like she's backing out, like she's going this way. Like, the truck's parked right here, so I'm coming this way. So she hops out the front, she hops out the seat because the windows are open, so she hears it. And she's like, babe, watch her. And so as soon as I heard that, I put two and two together, like, just peeping, like, hearing the, you know how you turn in the gravel scratches? Yeah, I heard that. And then that's when I kind of sped walked to the truck in case she was to ram it. It'd be the truck, not me. So I sped walked to it. And then she rolled her window down. She was like, no, just started screaming. I was like, hey, calm down, like calm down. Like, she started getting into people owe her money, and her dad owns an oil refinery and all types of crazy stuff while she has it in drive. So I'm trying to be low key, because like this is all happening within minutes of each other. I'm talking to her, I'm just trying to keep her talking, you see what I'm saying, till y'all get here. So I didn't even know if I should step away and call her, but if I stepped away, I would either be in the front or the back of the vehicle. I didn't know what to do. My son's right there in the car. I didn't want her to back up and then ram into the back of the car. For sure. So I just texted you. So okay. Yeah, no problem. I was literally just explaining everything to dispatch what. Yeah. Literally. Right.
So where did the truck go then? Did the truck take off?
The truck was with Lock and Key Smith that then we all seen it. It was audible, like, because she was, mind you, prior to her doing all.
Yeah, I'm just asking, like, did the truck take off now?
Yeah,
okay.
He was already gone.
Okay. So it's just you guys working on the two vehicles right here.
Yeah, it's just me, my son, newborn, and then my girlfriend, and then Danny.
Okay. Sounds good. Yeah, we'll talk with her and kind of find out what's going on, man.
She said in order, one thing that really made me like kind of like call, and she was like, the only way that to keep him safe would be for me to hurt her or her to hurt me. So that's what.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Yeah. If we need anything else, we'll come over and talk to you guys. Okay?
Yeah. So I just at least that's what. She's so on that protected. She's fixated on my child.
Okay, so now let's rewind about 5 minutes before this. Officer James's body cam shows him on scene at 12:12 p.m. By 12:13 p.m., he's speaking with the driver, who's been ID'd as 53-year-old Melanie Udell.
What's your name, ma'am?
Melanie, why are you calling? Why?
We got called to come check on you. They were concerned.
There's nobody concerned.
There was. We got a phone call. What's going on today, Melanie?
Who did you get a call from?
I don't know. It was an anonymous caller saying there was a white.
I know,
Trooper
that's what
here.
they keep doing that. You know, they did that in Nebraska with my children. They keep calling in false reports.
Okay.
Nothing. I don't think that it's okay for people.
I can't help it that people call, and it's my job to come respond when we have a call in, to come check on people. Okay? Now, my concern is coming out of... My
everybody,
concern...
your concern is you know everybody that
My
I'm dealing with.
concern is that the car smells heavily of marijuana. When's the last time you smoked any marijuana in here, Melanie?
Other people have smoked marijuana in here, and I don't want to get into that because then they're calling you on me.
Other people have, you don't smoke any marijuana.
I have medical marijuana. I had my card.
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
I had one.
Do you have one current? No. Okay. So
I'm not getting busted because of these people that I am putting in a place where I shouldn't be. Because I do have an apartment in, but I had to be moved from there because
headquarters 299. I'm out with the RO. So you haven't used any marijuana recently?
I'm gonna be in trouble.
What's that?
No matter what I say.
You're not in trouble. I'm just saying that your car smells like marijuana, and I'm asking if you've used any.
Somebody else has here, but I don't want. I mean, it's not my business to tell them because then I get in trouble.
That's why I'm asking if you have smoked any marijuana recently.
Well, I don't want to lie and say I haven't smoked it, but I'm not gonna say that it was mine.
Okay.
Like,
I'm not asking
I
if you
have a
smoked
medical marijuana. I should have marijuana to stop me. It does help my anxiety, and I have a bad neck injury. I have Adderall.
Okay.
Actually, I have a prescription for them.
Okay.
I have gabapentin, which I do not take. I have that prescription.
But you said your medical marijuana card is expired, which means legally you can't possess any marijuana in the state of North Dakota.
They expired it because it helps me with my condition.
They don't expire it because it helps. They expire it if you forget to renew it.
No, she was passing videos of somebody getting in my house, James' house. So I had went to my boss multiple times about that.
Mm-hmm.
So then I got put on a leave of mental condition when I have all the information wrote down of them doing that.
Melanie, have you drank any alcohol in the last 24 hours?
Probably, but it doesn't matter.
How long ago have you had a drink of alcohol?
A while. I'm not doing this.
We are doing this.
No, we're not.
We are talking, yes.
No, because you had me called and violently...
Violently? At what point have we become violent in any way, shape, or form?
Because these people are selling drugs. And then they call you and say something of... I don't know what they're saying. I don't know what, because they won't let me talk to the people, including my relatives. They won't let me talk to anybody. They won't bring them to my face and say, oh, you've been saying this stuff, but why won't you bring them to my face?
So I'm not worried about all of that. I'm worried that you're sitting in a vehicle that smells like alcohol and marijuana.
No, because it's not. You better go check out the rest of the people that have marijuana.
Okay, well, right now I have to deal with one thing at a time, and right now I'm dealing with you.
Now you need to deal with the rest of the people. And I told him, I'm like, you can't do this. And they obviously look at this stuff. You can't sit here and do this.
Melanie is also questioned about whether she had anything to drink. Then the situation turns.
So, Melanie, once again, when is the last time you had something to drink?
A while ago.
What's
I don't know. What does it matter?
Because it smells like alcohol and marijuana coming out of your car.
Well, I don't care. Go deal with them. I told him not to smoke marijuana, that it was going to smell in my car.
Okay. So you...
No, I'm not doing this.
We are.
We're not.
We are.
No, we're not.
Okay. Melanie, I'm going to have you step outside of the vehicle here.
No, you're not.
Melanie, turn off the car. Turn off the car.
No,
299, she's fleeing.
Get out of the car! Get out of the
Melanie,
car!
get out of the car!
Now!
299, she almost struck me. Get out of the car!
We have to pause it here because of YouTube guidelines, but this is what Bismarck PD says happened next. As Melanie tried to drive off, she hit Officer James with her car before Officer Anderson fired his weapon. So let's take a look at what happened from Officer Anderson's body cam. This is right as he got done speaking with the man who initially reported Melanie to 911.
Melanie, turn off the car. Turn off the car.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Get out of the car!
Now! Get out of the car!
Bismarck PD says Officer James suffered serious injuries, including a significant injury to his knee. The department confirmed when Officer Anderson fired his weapon, the bullets struck Melanie.
Shots fired! Officer hit! Show your hands!
Shots fired.
Show your hands! Show your hands!
Back up! No, back up!
Show me your hands!
I can't move.
We got help coming, James. Stay there. You guys stay back. Yep, just stay back. Show me your hands. I don't know.
I can't
She's not
move.
really moving. James got launched, so.
I can't move. I can't move my leg or my hip.
Hands are clear. Yeah, I see blood on her hands.
Go ahead. Get your med bag. Get your med bag.
Right over here. He was hit by the car.
I can't move my leg or my hip. That's it.
Can we get her out?
This door is locked.
I was launched by the car.
If you hold cover, I can.
I don't know.
Where's his gun?
I don't know where his gun's at.
If she hits that accelerator.
Hold cover. Let's get her out. You set? Yeah. Come over here. Let's get her out. You hold. Let me go up.
Yep.
Get her out. Get her
Peterson, come help Jensen get her out.
Need to get her out. Looks like maybe a GSW to the chest. Okay.
Oh, you got it?
Watch here. Watch your gun here.
Yep.
Just watch her head.
Yep.
Get her cuffed up quick. And then let's move her from this glass. Where's James?
Right over there.
By fence. Hey, can someone grab I need a med bag and probably an AED. Got him? Okay, where do you want to move her? Let's just move her over here away from the glass.
Can we get this secure here? Yeah, I'm just gonna try to put this in park here.
Turn it off.
I did.
Okay. Get that thing apart?
Yep, and I turned it off. I'm over there at 22. Or sorry, I'm at 16.
Okay. Did she just go straight at Matt then?
So she kind of backed up, and her door was open. James was still talking with her. Okay. And then James kind of come around here, so she drove at James, then she backed up again. I drew on her, because she almost hit James.
Yeah.
Then she started driving forward more. I came over this way, and James was just right in front. And she hit him. He got launched hard. Over there.
You have anything in there you need?
It's my phone. It's from the glass.
How you doing, buddy?
Good. How's James?
He's fine.
No, I was with James.
Oh.
Yep.
We're gonna go to the PD. Okay. We'll just ride in my vehicle.
Okay. Can I grab my phone?
Need me for anywhere?
We're good. I think we got enough right now. Just get gunshot wound here. James is over there. We just need to kind of secure the area. James, we got smoke in the vehicle. He's in the front. So it's got over.
Okay. Can I grab my personal phone? Yeah. Okay. Who should I leave my keys with so we can get this dealt with? I did turn this off.
Once we get going.
Cut him off.
By this point, Melanie's condition was unclear. This is what one officer said in the case report. I observed Melanie in the driver's seat, who had her head slumped and was unresponsive. I grabbed Melanie by her right arm and began pulling her from the vehicle in an attempt to provide medical aid. Once I was able to get Melanie removed, Officer Peterson and I placed her in handcuffs. Due to the broken glass being on the ground, we drug Melanie to the north, where we would have a more open area to assess her without cause of further injury. We moved Melanie to her back, and I utilized my trauma shears to remove her clothing on her torso. I observed Melanie to have several gunshot wounds to her torso. I was unable to review my body camera footage at the time of this report. However, I do recall seeing one bullet wound towards the center of her chest and one on the right side of her right breast. There were several bullet wounds on her back. I was supplied with several chest seals and placed them on wounds. During this time, I was assisted by Bismarck fire personnel in providing life-saving measures. I did observe Melanie to have agonal breathing while we were assessing her. Melanie was eventually placed on a backboard, and I removed her handcuffs. The handcuffs were put in a paper bag and secured in my patrol car. Melanie was subsequently transported by Metro ambulance to a local hospital where she was pronounced dead. Following the shooting, both Officer Anderson and James were placed on administrative leave per department protocol. The North Dakota Bureau of Criminal Investigation conducted their own investigation. The case was then reportedly reviewed by the state attorney's office. State Attorney Julie Lawyer ultimately concluded that use of deadly force was justified, saying, quote, "No criminal charges are warranted in this matter." According to a report by KFYR, Officer James is okay and was released from the hospital. Both he and Officer Anderson are reportedly back in service. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Inside the Crime. I'm Elizabeth Millner, and we'll see you back here tomorrow with another case.